Welcome back! It's Christmas season. Happy Christmas 2025. I know this set has been around a couple years, but this is the year I'm actually getting into this. This is the Lego Main Street, Holiday Main Street set 10308, 1,514 pieces. This is an 18 plus set, priced at $99.99. And unfortunately, if I recall, 2024 is the last year this will be here, and then it will be out the door. In other words, it will be retiring. So this year, we are going to be actually doing several Christmas sets. We got Main Street, we got Alpine, and we got the Post Office. We'll be doing quite a bit of Christmas sets this year. So happy holidays to all you guys. This set actually comes with a total of 6 minifigures. A nice front design shows you that there is a tram, building 1, building 2, and then a little scenery right here on the front. And like always, most Christmas sets that Lego does, there's always a nice Christmas tree. Fa la 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 la. Did you know there's something actually special about this set? You see how there's a tram? And you know how Lego has Lego motors? Well, guess what? The tram has a power up feature. Look at that right here. Power up. So in other words, you can add the motor and be able to power it up. We will not be doing this in our Lego City. Lego Christmas Village. I want to let you know this whole shelf here, from here to here to here, from pretty much here to here, on my background is going to be the Christmas. Right now we got one of them. We got the Santa's house sitting there. We'll be taking a little further review about that later on this month. But as you can also see, this shows you more of the back and the inside design of each building. This building, what are we looking at? Building combined, 12 centimeters long, so put the building 1 and 1. And then it's a total of 8.5 inches high. Not too shabby, not too long. The trim is pretty cool, but the best part about all this, after we build this live, we get to review this set. And after we review this set, we get to light the set. We'll be lighting this set with Light My Brick 2.0. I am super excited and I cannot wait. Alright, what we are going to do, we're going to open up the box and we're going to see how many how many bags we got inside. Let's see if I can do it the old-fashioned way and not punch holes. I know why Lego did the hole punch in, but I prefer the old-fashioned way. So even though there's no tape, you can still cut along the line. And look, these hole punches are still integrated. So let's cut this out, and we'll see how many bags we have. Alright, so sitting here right in front of me, there's a total of 7 numbered bags, but there is a total of 11 total bags, because bags 2, 3, 5, and 6 all have a little bag that comes with it. So in total there's 11 bags, but there's only 7 under bags. You also get a platform, which I'm assuming this platform is probably going to be used for the tram. And now, let's take and see what we got for our booklet and stickers. I think I dropped one of the booklets. Alright. So, this is split up into multiple different sections. You got a total of 4 different sections for instructions. We also have a sticker booklet. In this, we got a total of, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 11 numbered stickers, but a total of 14 stickers altogether. And a total of 4 books. The Little Scene book, the Tram book, Building number 1, which looks like the music shop, and Building number 2, which looks like the gift shop. You get a total of 4 different books, 13 different stickers, 11 different bags, and then a platform. But we're just missing the pear tree. Well, this is everything you got in Holiday Main Street. We will be building this set live, and then we'll be coming back and reviewing it here on YouTube. So if you're interested in following along this Christmas season with Mr. Giggles, aka Fluffy, just make sure to hit that sub button. Like this video if you enjoyed it. I like to do unboxings for sets that I'm going to be building live, so we actually have the opportunity to look inside the box, because when I'm building it live, I really don't have the opportunity, but at least I can give you guys the unboxing experience. Because when I'm building a set offline, you get the experience. So guys, thank you for hanging out. I duly appreciate all the amazing love support. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, keep building your life. Just a small little brick at a time. I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.